All right, I'm going to make a quick tutorial for you guys. No fluff in this video. People are always asking like, how do I get started with affiliate marketing? What do I need to do? What are the steps to take? And I always try to hammer this home for you that you need to take action. You need to take massive action. And if you take massive action, months from now, you'll have a small audience that is built. And then when you go out and actually promote a product that is a good, valuable product, people will actually buy that from you because you've already built that know, like, and trust factor. You've built a small audience that's laser targeted in your niche market, and then you're ready and primed to promote a good product to them, right? It just doesn't happen overnight. And if you want to see sales like this is yesterday, right? I'm logged into my JVZoo account. I rarely promote JVZoo products or Warrior Plus products, but when a good product comes out, and in this case, this is a private sale. A vendor reached out to me that I have a relationship with, somebody that has actually been doing, affiliate marketing and SEO and so forth for the last 20 years. They're a web developer and they've created really good software. And so I like to partner with good vendors that they can sell on JVZoo or Warrior Plus. It doesn't matter what they're selling on, but if it's a good product, then I will be happy to go check it out and promote it. And to be honest, I even critique the software and I've sent back all kinds of stuff that they need to do to improve their software as well, because I'm first and foremost a honest, unbiased software reviewer is what I'd like to call myself, right? And so I like to review the software, tell people what is good about it, what's, the pros and cons and so forth. But when you can come over here and I just literally, old traditional affiliate marketing as well is that you need an email list, right? You need to go and email that list. You need to email them multiple times a day and put together your autoresponder and put together this full launch. I'm promoting this for the next 7 days. And, I let the vendor know that I'm not going to be emailing my list about this. I'm just going to create a video. And today I went ahead and created another video because I really liked the software. But the power of YouTube and affiliate marketing, and that's what I teach. If you want to go and join, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in this video, but if you want to go and join my brand new school community over here, it's YouTube Affiliate Launchpad. We have 99 members. Do you want to be that 100th member of this community? It's a free community where I'm teaching you exactly what I do behind the scenes in order to build my YouTube affiliate marketing business and how I'm approaching over $500,000 in affiliate commissions with free traffic just using YouTube. Okay. So link below. I only want action takers, only people that really want to contribute to the community and actually want to learn how to do this and take themselves serious in order to go out there and change their lives for the better and get more freedom in their lives. Okay. But if you're just a lurker and you just want to come in and not really take action and you believe in, push button, make money overnight methods, and you just want the easy button, this business is not going to work for you. Okay. So back over here, I'm going to show you how I made this $331 yesterday. And then when I come back over here and look at today, right now, where are we at today? We're at $182. So we are approaching $200 right now as well. And this is just putting out one video, and I'm already making about almost $500 from putting out one video. And that doesn't happen on your first video. And that's what I'm going to be really going over right now. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss the rest of this. Okay. So this is just one method, but what you could do is you could come over here to this place called Munchi. Okay. And you can come through and you can look at all these different things that people are selling. Now, I recommend if you do get into selling JVZoo and Warrior Plus products and ClickBank and all that stuff, that you start keeping a list of the products that, kind of keep notes on vendors. And if the product let you down, if you had a lot of customers that you promoted that product, but then people were really let down by the product and it sucked and all that, you need to be able to flag those and never promote those again, right? But you do need to start somewhere. And so I recommend, I'll make another video, leave a comment below if you want me to make another video on how to kind of validate and assess if a product is good, if a vendor's good. I'd be happy to do that for you guys. But what I want to do is just kind of come through here. You're going to have the big launches right over here. We have a really big launch. Titan's Edge formula came out today. Then Russell Brunson. Look, if this was not somewhere to announce your product, then why would Russell Brunson, one of the biggest marketers on planet Earth, why would he be dropping in his name and his announcement about his product? This works as a good announcement list. If you are a vendor, go and announce your products right over here. But what I wanted to scroll down here and just show you something. So there's PowerPoint profits right over here. I don't know if I know Craig Crawford keyword or not. You can go and look further into the product. I recommend go vet the product and see if it's a good product, but it's selling for $14.95. So basically $15, and they're giving you 60% commissions. Really, really good stuff, right? And so it's a PowerPoint Profits methodology edition. So it looks like they're going to give you all these different things that you could do for creating PowerPoints or cartoons or whatever it's going to be. I'm just going to kind of predict that that's what it is. So, but this is PowerPoint presentation. Okay. So what you could do in order to be ready to promote this next time, right? We need to build an audience, right? So if we go out there and just try to rank for PowerPoint, profits, there's probably not going to be a whole lot of people. I'm kind of predicting that this is not going to be a huge launch. I mean, we could go in and look at the Warrior Plus page real quick. And then you'll want to go and try to get your link over here. And I want to see what the vendor profile looks like. We've got Craig Crawford. So he is a top 25% vendor. He's an elite vendor, a top 5% affiliate. So he already so far is checking the boxes, but let's see what his ratings look like. Okay. So this is kind of how I vet. So he's at 3.16. I would promote anything that's 3 stars or higher. And then it just needs to check out obviously, but he has a lot of products that get 4 stars or above. So this looks good. He knows how to sell, 14,000 sales, so forth. Okay. So it checks out. So then you would go and research the product a little bit further. But why do I do this? Okay. So what we would do now is we would go in, and I'm going to show you what you need to do next is you need to go over to a place called Exploding Topics. You can use other keyword research tools, but today I'm going to be using Exploding Topics because they have a free version. Now they have a paid version as well. I'm actually thinking about investing in. It's kind of expensive though. You can only buy it by the year. And I believe it ends up being like $47 or $39 a month. So you're going to end up spending $500 a month or $500 for the entire year to get access up to all the features of this tool. But this is hitting trends and all this good stuff right over here. But I want to show you something really cool. And you need to start thinking like a marketer, an online marketer, and being laser targeted. And that's why that's why I'm at $440,000 that I've made from simple faceless YouTube channels with affiliate marketing. I know what I'm talking about, and this is exactly how you do it. Is you come in here and we build a YouTube channel around a niche and a topic and a category of people that enjoy the content that you're going to be producing. So we're going to come over here and I'm going to go into the 5 years. That's fine. Or you could even narrow it down to 2 years. And then what we do is go into all categories and then look, I'm going to go into marketing, right? So I'm going to click marketing and then look at all these things that come out right over here. And if you guys don't know that this stuff works and that I'm the guy to listen to, well, check this out. Look, Gamma AI, watch. So if I come over here and we go into an incognito mode window, I'm going to open this up. And if I type in Gamma app review, we're going to scroll down here. You're most likely going to see my video. We're ranked on page 1 on Google for this keyword Gamma app review. So if I take this one and then we go and open up YouTube as well. So I'm going to go YouTube and we'll come over here and we'll paste that in as well. So this is the software that is blowing up, and you can see this is a sponsored ad. We are ranked number 1 and we've gotten almost 30,000 views from this one video right here that for the longest time I wasn't even an affiliate. I just decided to bring value to my audience and build an audience. And guess how many? I'm sure I've gotten hundreds of subscribers to my YouTube channel, and it helped me sort of blow up my YouTube channel as well. This videos like this, okay? And I didn't do this. I basically did this video for free and for free marketing for that company. It was before they even had an affiliate program, but it benefited me because I was able to get out there ahead of a trend and get 30,000 views and rank number 1, okay? So that's really, really cool. Other people have tried to repeat this for that app, but my video hit and got 30,000 views, X multiplier on what I normally get on my channel. Why is this important to you? Okay, so we come back over here. So that's Gamma. And if I go Gamma AI, maybe let's go Gamma AI review. I'm not sure if I'm going to be ranking. So I'm not ranked number 1 for that, but it's okay. I'm ranked number 2 for this. So I'm still ranked number 2. It doesn't matter what the actual keyword is. So that's Gamma AI there. And it's saying that this is getting a lot of search volume. The site, if we go over to Gamma app and look at the site, it's getting like over 1 million searches or visitors to their site per month, right? So why are we talking about this? Well, I want to show you the next keyword that's showing up. step. It's AI Presentation Maker. Look at this. AI Presentation Maker is also at a 99x growth right here, 90,000 search volume. AI Presentation Maker. We can go click on this. It's going to give us more information. It's a tool designed to simply, and so this is actually not even, I don't even believe that AI Presentation Maker, I don't even think that that is an actual software. But this is a great keyword and a great market that you could go after, right? So you have a lot of keywords, and then you can come down here and look at all these other ones right over here. So start thinking about like a marketer, right? Create a channel that has to do with, tutorials, presentation tutorial hub, right? Presentation app tutorial hub, something like that. Create your YouTube channel. This is not, everyone overcomplicates this, right? And I'm getting people, even students in my school communities right now. I have 2 school communities, and these are still the most common questions that get asked is, oh, well, I'm overwhelmed by this. I don't know what niche to pick. I don't know what content plan to pick. I don't know what videos to create. I don't know what microphone. People are going to hold themselves back from taking action because they're letting all that end up being noise, and it's overwhelming people into where they just simply don't take action at all. And really what I'm here to show you is that you should start today. You should actually go and start today, start your channel, because in a month, you're either going to procrastinate for another month in your life. You're going to be no closer to your goals in life and financially than if you would have just started a YouTube channel today. Mark your calendar, and in 30 days, you're going to have 2 things are going to be apparent. You're either going to have the answer that, oh yeah, this worked out really well. I'm going to continue. And here's the topics on my YouTube channel that did really well. I'm going to double and triple down on those, and let's keep going, boom. And then in another month, I'm going to start promoting products, becoming an affiliate, and start making money. In 30 days, the other scenario is that you worked hard, you put out 10 videos or 50, whatever it's going to be, however many videos you put out, and then nothing really happened. You didn't get a whole lot of views. You didn't get any videos that got more than 10 or 15 views, and maybe that is just not working. Maybe we need to pivot our keywords. Maybe we need to pivot. Maybe the audience isn't big enough, something like that, right? But you're going to have information by taking action today. You're going to have information tomorrow to make decisions in your business. But if you do not, I know one thing's for sure. One thing is certain. If you don't take action, you will not have a result tomorrow. Okay. So you could come over here and you could do a review on Decktopus, Beautify.ai. You could, Beautiful.ai, Presentations.ai, Presentation Generator. That's just a keyword. That's a big keyword you could go after. AI Art Maker. That's a big keyword you could go after. So you could create a YouTube channel based on Presentation Generator, AI Art Maker. Look at all the search volume, 30,000, 6,000. And then we come up here and almost 100,000 people are searching for AI Presentation Maker. So you go and start making a bunch of videos, pick some softwares, show tutorials, just give value to people. They're going to start watching your content. This is awesome. Man, I never knew I could do that with PowerPoint. I never knew I could do that with, all these different presentation tools. And then guess what? Now you position yourself a month or 2 months down the road. You've got 600 subscribers. You're getting, maybe 50 to 100 views per video. And this is real world I'm giving you. I'm not telling you you're going to get 500,000 views every time you put out a video. I don't even get that right now, but I'm approaching $500,000 in affiliate commissions. I'm telling you that this stuff works. You don't need a lot of views in order to make this work. They just need to be targeted. You need to build a real audience. If you don't have an audience, right, then how are you going to sell stuff to people, right? People just want to go and throw their affiliate link all over the internet and hope that they're spray and pray method, hope that they're going to make money. People most likely are not going to buy from some cold, naked URL that you're just throwing out there. Click on it and buy, right? That just doesn't happen. That kind of marketing does not work. You've got to go, this is almost 2025. You got to go out there and actually build a real credible business and solve a problem for people. Be very, very helpful. And the more helpful that you are to people, the more value that they're going to bring to you and the more money that's going to end up in your pocket, because it kind of works both ways, right? You help people and then they help you back and they buy products from you. Okay. So that's what I would do, is go out there, build your channel. And this is just a scenario. This is just a way that you can do this, and go out there and build a presentation channel. And then guess what? The next time that you're looking around and you want to start making this kind of money, $182. Let's go back and look at yesterday right over here, $331 yesterday. And this is just from a video that I just started promoting. Look, I mean, I literally have not promoted a JVZoo product in months. And then I just turned the switch on, boom, and then started making money on JVZoo. But I'm smart about it too, because I'm not just promoting a new JVZoo offer every single day on my channel, because they're also not going to like it. There's a fine line and a balance between this, right? If you're just promoting crap products to your audience, they're going to end up unsubscribing and not listening to you because they're no longer feeling like you're providing that value that they subscribe to you for, right? So always bring the tutorials, make content. That is the big thing. People need to get outside of their head and realize that you need to be able to create YouTube videos without the intention of making money. When you make those videos and those tutorials, I got 28,000 views on Gamma app, and I think I've made $10 because I was not an affiliate. They didn't even have an affiliate program. I just saw an app and I was like, cool, I think I can get a lot of traffic from this. I'm going to take my chances at it. And it ended up being one of the biggest videos on my channel. I think the second most viewed video on my channel. It was a simple software review that I made no money from affiliate marketing. Does that make sense? But it benefited me in so many other ways because it helped me grow my channel as well. So you've got to be able to do that, right? And so we found a good product. I'm partnering. This isn't even a public launch. This is a software that's already been out for a couple of years, but we're putting together a special sale. And then we can come over here. And then the next time that you're over here on Munchi, right? The next time that you're in Munchi and you find a product that has to do with your niche market and it checks all the boxes, look, PowerPoint profits. Yeah, I have a whole channel where I have like 30 or 40 videos teaching people how to use PowerPoint. I'm sure that they would love for me to go and show them a product like this, show them how they could use it and so forth, right? And then you could actually go out there and get #1 for this launch and probably get paid affiliate bonuses because you just crushed it, because nobody else has a targeted laser targeted audience about PowerPoint presentations and so forth than you do, right? So these niches are all over the place, and we just need to, make a decision and actually decide to start creating content and stop overwhelming ourselves and overthinking everything. And just to show you that this is exactly what I do, look, this is my David Mills channel right now. You're watching, okay? And this is my Notion, content scheduler or calendar. And you can see we have all of these topics right over here. I'm not going to scroll down, but I probably have like 50 topics. I already know what my next 50 videos are. And the video that I'm creating right now is actually not even on this list because it's what I wanted to create today. I wanted to show you how I made those affiliate commissions. I showed you exactly how I made the affiliate commissions. I made one video, posted it on my Faceless YouTube channel, and then I'm making money. Okay. And so, but I'm not telling you that if you start YouTube today and you create one video, you're not going to make $300 probably overnight, right? But it's what you do in the next month or two. What content are you creating? Are you taking action? Are you building that channel? I can't tell you enough that that's the #1 thing that stops people from being successful. But you can see right over here, I blocked out all my titles over here, but I have a really cool thing. Like right over here, I can actually select where I got the title from, because if stuff starts popping off, I want to know what source the topic's coming from, right? Is it coming from vidIQ? Is it coming from Claude AI? Is it coming from me just researching, other people's channels? Because that's going to help me. And then I can come over here and I can say, how well did it perform? If it's less than 600 views right now, this threshold will change as your channel grows. But right now, these are my thresholds. If it's less than 600 views, it's still not performing well. If it's between 600 and 900, it's performing well. And if it's over 1,000 views, then and that's within the first 24 to 72 hours. And I can go in here and look at these and update them as well. A lot of times I don't like to overcome things. Sometimes I like to measure 24 hours and then 7 days and then 30 days. But I've also am being real with myself. I usually don't come back and actually update my calendar and all that stuff. So I really just like to see kind of how did it work the first 24 hours? Because a lot of times when I come back in here and look at this, I'll look at the video that I did yesterday and I'll kind of like, oh yeah, it didn't perform well. And then I'll just mark it. Okay. So this is my content calendar. Like this is what I do. I already know what I'm going to create. Boom. I go and push the record. This is unscripted. I literally pushed record and I'm just recording my video. I do use Descript and I use AI to edit my videos. So it helps. It gets rid of all the silences and it really helps out and so forth. But I'm just an action taker, right? And if you become an action taker and a content creator, I think you have a lot better chance of starting to make money with YouTube and affiliate marketing. Once again, if you want to go and join me, join my YouTube affiliate Launchpad. I want this us to be a really awesome community of like-minded people that want to learn YouTube affiliate marketing together. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.